Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to rank with or without ties in Excel. So here I have student names and their respective score in an exam. It could be any value or range of values that you want to assign rank or positions to. I want to assign positions or rank to these scores. You can do that with Excel's rank function. It requires the number, so the current row, okay. You bring your comma, and then the ref, which is the second argument, is the range of numbers you are ranking this current one against. Now, you need to note that this range you've selected will move down if you don't lock it. So when you select, you press F4 to put in an anchor, $signs across to lock this reference. The last optional argument is whether you want to rank descending or ascending. If you want the highest number to be number 1, you choose descending. If you want the lowest number to be number 1, you choose ascending. So we choose 0, highest number will be number 1. And then I'll enter and I'll copy this down. So you observe that score 87 is number 1. Score 85 appears twice, so there's a tie. Now we need to break this tie and then assign a third position to one of the 85s. So to do this, what we are going to do is to start off with the original formula. So I'm going to copy this original formula, Ctrl C, come here and begin my new formula with that. So I'm going to add a plus, and then I'll add COUNTIF. Basically what we are going to do is that as we copy this formula down, if we detect that the number has already appeared on top of our selection, then we add 1 to the current ranking. Okay, so to achieve this, we need to make this range a gradually expandable range. We cannot do it at a go here. So as we copy down, we want it to expand gradually. So we'll start off with the header. So the COUNTIF range will start from the header. I'll bring a colon. So when we bring a colon, the cell references itself. Now it is for a reason, because we want to make the first reference C5, okay, locked. So we'll lock the first part. So what it means is that we put a $sign in front of the row reference and then allow the second part to be relative. So what it means is that if I copy this reference down, I'll get C5 to C6 in the next row, which will give me 2 rows, C7, 3 rows in that order. And this will make it easier for us to know whether the numbers have appeared up to the point where we are selecting or dragging this to. Now, I need to put in the criteria. So criteria is the number here, which is 45. Then I'll close my bracket. So now let's see. I still get 5 because 45 has not appeared on top. When I go down, 85 maintains its score. 75 will maintain its score. Now if I drag down to the next 85, because 85 already has appeared on top of this selection, rank will now be calculated, but will now get a +1, okay, to break the tie. So I can now copy the rest down. So anytime it detects a duplicate, it will now add +1 to the original rank. That is the trick. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and hit subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.